I'm Theo Stephens and I'm on the level 3 art and design course. I've been drawing since I can remember, really. I remember in nursery I used to do like a little show in nursery, and I'd get people to sit in front of me and then I'd get them to like shout out ideas for stuff I can draw. And so there'd always be like pigs and farm animals and stuff and race cars. So I've been drawing since day, really. Well, I want to go into animation, so illustration's quite a good stepping stone for that, because although you do have the option to do animation in your illustration course, so it's just quite a nice stepping stone to a degree level course, because I'm not learning the fundamentals of animation, but I have the ability to create one sort of DIY and get the feedback and get the visual feedback as well, without having to deal with all the complex stuff that I'll deal with in uni. Yeah, well, when I first came here, it was just impressive to see the range of workshops. Like, we've got 3D with metal and wood, we've got plastics as well, got loads of like machines and funky stuff to deal with that. We've textiles are really good as well. You can make your own patterns, you can do heat press. We've got a load of sewing machines and stuff, and the graphics as well. Well, I'd like to go to a London uni. Was thinking Kingston. That we have a lot of students that come from here to Kingston, because it's a nice area and just really good there. But it's been very useful to have the tutors around. They're always there to answer questions about unis, and they seem to know everything. But yeah, I've been told about both Middlesex and Westminster, Bournemouth, Bristol have all been suggested to me by the tutors, and they're now on my 5 options that I'm going to be putting down and potentially going to, so I have them to thank for that. Well, I've already kind of started off my own little brand, I'm thinking, because I hate my job. I work at Tesco and I want to be able to sell some sort of craft of some sort, so I now sell my own prints of my art. So I'd like to expand on that a bit more, hopefully rack in some money from it. But in the long run, I would like to study animation and be an animator, either signed to an animation like workshop, or I'll set up my own studio, which would be nice eventually.